Hi Fox, how are you? I am from PPF. We are starting a new series about TradingView. We will cover all the things in this series. How to use TradingView, what is the difference between TradingView and the other applications like MT5. We will cover all these differences in different videos. But first of all, we will cover what is TradingView, what is the introduction of TradingView. So TradingView is a powerful web-based and application-based platform and a social network by traders and investors to analyze the financial markets. So it's analyzing tool, analyzing and charting tool. It will provide you charting for forex trading, stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodity indices. So how why we use TradingView? Why we use TradingView? In TradingView there is advanced charting tools. There are a lot of indicators for using real-time data, live price action from global exchanges, custom scripts. We can use custom scripts for our usage. Social community, there is a huge community on TradingView. You can see here there is you can use your private charting tool, chat tool, and community tools. There is many other features of the TradingView. We will cover in this series how to use these tools, how to customize these tools, uh, and how can you make templates, how to use the indicators, how to changes the indicator settings. uh, we will how you can how you can make your own indicator strategy testers. We will cover replay trading. What is replay trading? All these tools in the left side, all these tools on the right side, on the up side, on the bottom sides, in a very simple and convenient way. To we will share our knowledge about all the TradingView charting tools, how you can easily make your charting on TradingView, and all the other differences between TradingView. So TradingView offers 100 plus built-in indicators, drawing tools, multiple chart types. It will provide candlesticks, bars, lines, Hikonashi, etc. In these, you can share your ideas, you can publish your analysis, you can follow other traders, discuss the market trends and the other market conditions. There is a alert system. You can set price indicators, strategy alerts, trigger via emails. You can get emails, SMS, and app notifications. And there is also TradingView provide app for your mobile access, mobile phone also have the application. Also you can use the application on your Windows, Mac, or Linux, which you use. I think Linux is not providing, but TradingView is application is available on Mac and Windows users. Mostly we are using Windows and Mac. So also it's a web based. You can access on web based. There is no lag on web and application. You can access on from multi devices. A one count. It is also sign from any your email address. You can add your email address and you can sign in from another device too. You can use it. Why use it? Ideal for technical analysis. It's a layout there. It's front and it is a very basic and very convenient and very simple uh, compared to the other charting tools. So we will cover all these things in our series, in our video series. mm, How you can use it. and why you use it. We will compare it with MT4, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 desktop application. It's a very simple and very easy to use these tools. As you can see, we have it's give us a very um, easy way and faster way to customize and change our tools from one to another. Also provide many hotkeys on your keyboard to access your charting tool. So this is the basic introduction of our TradingView application. We will cover another videos, and we will cover all these things step by step. How to use it on your chart, how to make templates, how to mm, mm, add add you in your favorite, and the other things that are not available on YouTube or other social medias in free of cost. All this course is free of cost. We will provide the other strategies too, but we will cover this, and after that we will start uh, uh, our strategies, uh, in which we will teach you how you can build your strategy, basic and advanced pro knowledge of all the usage and other methodologies like VSA, like SMC, price action, liquidity, book map, order flow, like that things. We will provide all the knowledge on YouTube in free of cost. All of these things will be free of cost. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please like our video, subscribe our channel. We will need your help. Thank you.